Creating a password generator in Python 3.7.1. Welcome to this Python project, where we delve into the creation of a powerful password generator. Our mission: to generate secure, random passwords tailored to your desired length. Let's embark on this coding journey. Here, we are importing the necessary modules, including string and random, to generate our password. We'll enter a while loop to keep generating passwords until the user exits the program. Finally, we'll generate the random password by combining lowercase letters, uppercase letters, digits, and special characters. Let's run the program and see the result. Great! We've successfully created a random password based on user input. Feel free to modify this code to suit your needs. Thanks for watching.